Today's lesson is another look at box and whisker plots. Interpreting box and whisker plots. The number of customers per day that entered a store in the 30-day time period were recorded and organized in the box and whisker plot below. Remember, the box and whisker plot is just set on a number line for you to interpret where each piece of the data falls. The lower extreme is the smallest number of the box and whisker. In this case, the lower extreme is 40. The upper extreme is the largest number of the box and whisker. In this case, 220. Remember, it is the box and whisker you're looking at, not the largest and smallest number on the actual number line. Quartile 1 is the far left side of the box. This is 70. Quartile 2, or the median, is the middle line of the box, 120. Quartile 3 is the far right side of the box, 140. To find the range, you subtract the upper extreme from the lower extreme, 180. For interquartile range, you subtract Q3 from Q1, 70. Remember, the box and whisker plot splits everything up into 25% groupings. What percent of the days were there at least 40 customers in the store? Well, there were always at least 40 customers in the store, so this is 100%, or 30 days. What percent of the days were there 70 to 220 customers in the store? Well, this would be from the far left side of the box through the upper extreme. So that's 3 sets of 25 for 75%, or 22.5 days. What percent of the days was there less than 120 customers in the store? Well, this is from the median down, so 2 sets of 25, 50%, or 15 days. And what percent of the days were there 140 or more customers in the store? Well, this is from Q3 on up, so 25%, or 7.5 days. Question 2. The ages and years of 20 children playing on a playground were recorded and organized into a box and whisker plot. The lower extreme, again, is the smallest number on the box and whisker, which is 0 and 5/10. The upper extreme is the largest number of the box, or 13. Q1 is the far left side of the box, or 2 and 5/10. The median is the middle line of the box, or 4. And Q3 is the upper right side of the box, or 6 and 5/10. The range is subtracting the upper extreme minus the lower extreme. And the interquartile range is subtracting Q3 minus Q1. The percent of children at the playground who are at least 4 years old, so this is the median on to the right, or 50%, 10 children. The percent of children at the playground that were younger than 15, well, that's everyone, 100%. Percent of children at the playground that were between 2.5 and 6.5. So this is from the left side of the box to the right side of the box, or 50%. And what percent of the children at the playground were between 1/2 and 2.5 years old? 25%. Complete the next 3 questions on your own. Take a picture and submit it for your classwork assignment.